Many individuals are hesitant to tackle Oriental rug cleaning on their own due to the delicate nature and value of these items. This is unfortunate because the best way to ensure that a rug lasts the test of time is to thoroughly and carefully clean it periodically. Exactly how often an Oriental rug will need to be cleaned will depend on how it is used. One way to determine whether or not a rug is in need of a good cleaning is for an individual to rub their hand on the rug for approximately 10 seconds. If a person's hand is dirty, or if they can feel grit in the fabric, then it's time for a good cleaning. Many people leave Oriental rug cleaning to the professionals. This is generally the preferred way of taking care of an Oriental rug, since a professional service will have the knowledge and equipment necessary to get the job done right, without damaging or shortening the life of the carpet. If a person is interested in tackling this job on their own, however, there are a few simple tips that can make the process easier and reduce the chance of any damage being done. The first step to Oriental rug cleaning at home is to thoroughly vacuum both sides of the rug. If the rug is still in relatively good condition, it may also be beneficial to hang the rug and beat out any dust, dirt, or debris that is remaining. Once this has been done, it is time to place the rug on a clean, flat surface for washing. It is important that the surface that the rug is placed on be clean, otherwise it will defeat the entire purpose of cleaning the rug. The rug should then be wetted down with cool water and a very mild soap should be used. It is important that a person not use a stiff bristled brush or sponge that is likely to shed during the Oriental rug cleaning process. Once the rug has been thoroughly cleaned, the next step is to rinse it off using cool water until there is no soap remaining. An individual can easily remove any excess water by using a clean window squeegee with the grain of the rug. The final step is to lay the rug out flat so that it can thoroughly dry before being put back to use. Our expert Oriental rug cleaning service is available at times to suit your needs and schedule. We also provide our expert Oriental rug cleaning service on an emergency basis with 24/7 availability so that we can be there when you need us most. Our business is rugs. We know how to clean them, repair them, renew them, and restore them. We are proud to offer our expert Oriental rug cleaning services to residential and commercial clientele in the tri-state area and offer free pickup and delivery to all of our customers. Call now, Queens Branch at 718-875-5400 and enjoy our free pickup and delivery service to all of our customers. Only Oriental Rug Care New York can promise personal attention and clean your Oriental rugs.